Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Jerem here. As you guys can see up on the screen today, I want to talk a little bit about Remark Holdings Incorporated. This is ticker symbol MARK. We're talking about Mark, and the reason why people are wondering about this one, why everyone's talking about it while it's a really hot stock right now, is obviously that this thing was up 45% on the day today. Now, earlier in the day it was up much higher, and from the top today to the bottom, this thing was down like 52%. So if you bought in at open, obviously you didn't end up in a very good spot. Things kind of went south fast for you. But if you were in this stock before today, picked it up like last week or something like that, or had just been maybe a holder, this has been something on your radar for longer, obviously you made some very crazy money and gains today. And anyway, even still, after kind of just giving the whole day, still being up 45% at the end of the day, that's going to put it on a lot of people's radars. That's a very good day. People are wondering what's going to happen with this stock, obviously going into the next week, month, into the future. Is this something they should be buying into, staying away from, or whatever? So we're going to be talking about a little bit more of what's even going on. Why did this stock pop? What even is it? So we have this from catchingnews.com. Remark Holdings Incorporated stock surge in the aftermarket. What's causing it to rise? They said that Remark experienced an incline of 31% in the aftermarket. However, the last trading session ended at 217 with an incline of 138%. Obviously, some very big gains. But Mark had announced the release of an improved AI platform for school campus administration on the 12th of October 2021, so that was a couple weeks ago. This was designed to satisfy China's educational reform and technological needs. In addition, the firm announced the development of its distributor network, announcing the addition of 5 new resellers in current new areas across China. Their internal objective is to put out their platform in over 3,000 of these institutions, which represents $18 million in potential, which is obviously, significant amount of money. It's obviously a big deal. This company is valued at a $308 million market cap at this point in time. So 18 million isn't maybe that significant, isn't maybe that big of a deal, but it could be signs of more to come. It is obviously, a lot of locations, they have some big stuff going on, but this obviously isn't what made it go today. This is just some of the recent news, why there's maybe been some momentum surrounding it and stuff. Because obviously there was a time when a lot of the companies and stocks involved in Chinese education took an absolute beating once a lot of the regulations, new rules, new policies, all of that stuff started coming out. So at least it's, some good news for some of these companies. Despite past Chinese initiatives, most Chinese schools still rely largely on teachers and school administrators to undertake certain monotonous chores by hand. So hopefully they can be helping out in that regard. Also, earlier they had, on September 23rd, they reported that the business had received a $5 million contract to supply its AI-driven work safety services to 100 industrial real estate building sites. So, a lot of different AI stuff, a lot of stuff that seems pretty futuristic, a lot of stuff that looks like, something that could grow more and more into the future. They have a lot of growth potential. They're just slowly making more deals. It seems like they have some good stuff going their way. But there's also this from investorplace.com where Mark stock, 13 things you need to know about Remark as the DWAC frenzy takes it higher. Obviously, there's been so much news about different Trump stocks and different, so many of these different Trump plays going on right now where people are making some crazy gains. Obviously, people are losing crazy amounts of money too because these things are so volatile. But what's the relation between Trump, DWAC, and Mark? Remark stock is rocketing higher on Monday as investors connect the company to former President Donald Trump. First off, it's worth pointing out DWAC. Obviously, it's been insane recently. Special acquisition company set to take Trump's Truth Social platform public. The social media service that Trump is working on that will reportedly focus on First Amendment rights. With this announcement, any stocks connected to Trump have been soaring higher. So there has been recent news concerning Trump hotels getting ShareCare Health Security verified, like, a verification. And that has investors looking to Mark stock. This might be confusing, as they say, because ShareCare is the one behind, them getting ShareCare Health Security verification. So that's SHCR. So why are they going to Mark? It's due to Remark being a partial owner of ShareCare. So yes, there is some good news regarding these Trump hotels and ShareCare, but then that is also people connecting it back to, Mark, and then in turn, Mark being, tangentially related to Trump, which right now, these last couple weeks, is an automatic smash hit for a lot of stocks. Now, again, Mark was not able to hold a lot of these. Gains. Obviously, it went up. It kind of gave them back. So maybe people aren't exactly sure, just how, excited to be or just how to value this stuff, or maybe the Trump allure is starting to wear off a little bit. But again, 45% gains in a single day is still not anything to scoff at. It is still a very, very big deal. But it does seem like a lot of speculation. There is a lot of, just running crazy on little bits of news and stuff. I mean, here's ShareCare. They're up 7 or 8% today. That's nothing too crazy. And all the gains, all the movement, everything is going to Mark. And it'll just be really interesting to follow how long this kind of Trump mania is going to be able to last in far as these stocks. Obviously, Trump mania doesn't seem like it's going anywhere anytime soon, just the cult-like following. But does that mean they'll keep being able to pump all these stocks up? Are these stocks going to be able to hold these gains? Are people going to get bored of it? Are people going to get out of it? Is it not going to, turn into revenue and profits and dollars for investors? Is it going to end up being pump and dumps? Who knows? But this is just another one of those plays that's been going kind of crazy. And yeah, the news is just kind of weird. We don't really know what to expect for the future, but I'm definitely going to be following, Mark, DWAC, all of these stocks very, very closely over the next coming weeks just to see what's in store. Because again, people are making money, people are losing money. So it's not like there's not money to be made, but a lot of it doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. But that's pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about MARK. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Subscribe, stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.